Yo, hello guys, welcome once again to Forex Success. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on notification so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video trading Forex. So guys, make sure to like and share this video to your friends and loved ones. So guys, this what I did right now is that I sold crash. I sold boom 500, as you can see. Yeah, so I knew it's going to spike here. I knew it's going to boom here. So guys, this is what I did. I went for the longer time frame, which is the 1 day time frame, and as you can see, it is a downtrend, a heavy downtrend, guys, serious downtrend. For the weekly downtrend, the 4 hours time frame, it's also a downtrend. You can see, guys, so it's a downtrend. So what I did was that I went into the 15-minute time frame so I can get my entry to place a trade. So these are the mistakes we make. These are the mistakes most of us make here, guys. This is an heavy downtrend. So using this strategy, I told you before, guys, this strategy, it doesn't really favor on a serious downtrend, you get, guys, because as you can see, I told you this strategy works perfectly when the market is consolidating or on the trend that favors the boom or downtrend for the crash. You can see this red moving average crossed this green line, but in most cases, okay, let me put it on the 1 minute. In most cases, it didn't spike. You see, guys, in most cases it did spike. Oh, we got another boom right here. We got a boom. You can see I'm running on loss now, but I know it's going to come back. You see, it's just about to do same thing for this candle. It's about to do same thing, same consolidation, just the one it did right here for this candle, and it's going to drop down till it continues this downtrend. So this is what I'm waiting for, guys. So let me tell you why I entered for the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, at this point, I was watching this market from here. It consolidated from a bullish candle and then it came down. The moment I saw this black candle break through this support level, I had to enter the trade, and you see it consolidated again. It broke through again, so which means it continues. This is also a consolidation. As it reached this point, it's going to come down again. You get, guys, it's going to come down again, then the downtrend continues. See the the 1 hour time, the 1 daily time frame. You can see it's on a heavy sell. It's on a heavy sell, guys. It's on a heavy sell. So this candle is going to come down, and I'm going to wait for it to come down because it's going to give me more profit, guys. It's going to come down and continue the trend. See the 1 minute time frame, it spiked. Same thing happened here, which was the previous one. That is the same thing as this white candle, this bullish candle here. So you can see it for the 1 minute time frame. This is what happened here. It's going to come down. It happened in several places, and it's going to come down, guys. So I'm waiting for it to come down. So guys, this is how I just wanted to show you this thing so you guys will understand that please don't use this strategy when you check on a higher time frame and you see it's on a heavy sell. On a heavy sell, guys, it might not answer when, especially when you place that. Okay, let's imagine you place it to boom, that's to buy. You place a buy, expecting it will boom because this red moving average crossed below. It will boom, but it will take longer than expected. It will boom, but it will take longer than expected. As you can see here, guys, it crossed below, but it boomed. But it took longer than expected, because if you watch at this point, it crossed, but this small, and it will take longer than expected, and it will also be bringing baby spikes, which would even worth your trade. You get, guys? It would even worth, you might, even after the baby spike, you might also be in loss. So that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Mostly use this strategy when it's on a consolidation. When the market is in consolidation, like you check your 15-minute time frame and you see something like this point, guys, let's say from here to here, you see the market is consolidating. The strategy will work for you like magic. It will work for you like magic, guys, when it's like that. For the 30-minute time frame, you see something like this, guys. If you see something like this, let me show you something, guys. Okay, yeah, guys, you see this point I highlighted now. If you see the market in this way, guys, that strategy will work perfectly. It will work perfectly for you. It will work perfectly for you, guys. I'm telling you, it will work perfectly for you, because the strategy works very well when the market is on consolidation. See this point, like the market sell and then it goes up, consolidation. So the moment it sell, this red moving average touches this green, it spikes. That's how it will continue. You get it, guys? That's how it will continue. So you can see it's still selling. It's going to sell continuously till it gets continue the downtrend. It will continue the downtrend, guys. So if I want to enter this, place another trade again, I'll wait for a bullish candle, because a bullish candle is going to form by 30 in 7 minutes time. In 7 minute time, a bullish candle a bearish candle is going to form in 30 minutes time. Then I'll place another sell. Continue like that, guys, continuously. So that's how it is. You can see I'm back on profits, so it's going to continue. Yeah, so guys, this is what I'm talking about this strategy. So you can also say boom, you can say boom, you can buy crash, but use higher time frame to analyze, then get an entry from the smaller time frame. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. It's truly simple to understand. Analyze from a higher time frame. Higher time frame will give you the direction of the market. Then lower time frame, you get an entry. Just look for a perfect entry. The reason why you need a perfect entry is so you won't have to face pullbacks and other consolidation that the market will have to face. But at the end, it's going to go towards the direction of the higher time frame. That is what we need to understand, guys. Yeah, so guys, you can see it's still selling. I told you it's just going to form a bullish candle and then continue the trend. You can see, guys. So I hold on to the trade and it's still selling. So you can see it's still selling. It continued the trend, the downtrend. It's going to continue this downtrend. It just did the normal forming of the bullish candle and continued the trend. You can see, guys, it's already selling from the 30 minutes time frame. You can see it consolidated, downtrend continues. So guys, this is how these things work. What I advise most of my students is that keep practicing. You get used to it. Seriously, guys, keep practicing. You get used to it. Like, even on your demo account, just keep practicing trading just the way you play your normal video games. You can be trading for trading crash and booms, V75. Keep practicing. You get to understand these things very well. You'll be very used to it. So you can see, guys, it's still making profit. So I'm keeping this profit. I'm keeping it seriously, because this is a heavy sell. I'm keeping it, guys. You see profit, guys. So this is it. This is how we do this. It's on profit. So this is an account that I'm managing for one of my students. Yeah.